Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about 2D arrays problem in Java. So let's start with that. And there is one more thing I want to tell you. Like when I solve these problem, try to solve these problem at your end also, so that you will get more clarity about this. And don't try to if you are just seeing code from any other resources, so try to write down for yourself. Don't try to just copy and paste. If you write that code for yourself, in that case you will learn something from that code. So that is the main point if you want to start coding or if you are doing coding. So keep in that mind. So let's start with this part. So inside I am taking two sum of two 2D arrays. Let's see how we can perform this. So for this I am creating a 2D variable first. A sorry, don't not be A is equal to, inside this I'm writing 1, 3 and 4, and this comma curly braces 2, 4 and 3, and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is my first 2D array and this is my second 2D array. Inside this I'm just going to take one more. So this is like, this one is also 1, 3 and 4, and this is 2, 4, 3, and after that 3, 4 and 5. Close. And okay, these two are my 2D arrays. So what I'm doing, like I am creating two matrix. Okay, I think you guys know what is matrix. So if you don't know, go and Google it and learn about these how matrix calculation will work, and after that try to solve these problems. So after that I'm just creating another matrix to save output, like sum, or you can just save some value. Okay, so this is my third matrix, and this is of size. We need to give size 3 cross 3, because my matrix is of 3 cross 3, like 3 rows 3 column, 3 rows 3 columns. That's why I'm creating this one by like third matrix. Size is 3 cross 3. So try we are performing here adding performance, like we are adding here, adding operations here, adding and printing. Okay, and here I can just write one loop, and inside this I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, and I plus plus. Why I'm taking 3? Because I know its length, that's why I'm taking 3. But if you don't know length, in that case you can use like a dot length or b dot length. Okay, but in case you know the length of that particular array, so you can go with that size. So second one is, and j is equal to 0, j is less than equal to 3, and j plus plus. And inside this I'm just assigning value to my c variable, which is responsible for our output value. Cij is equal to ai and j plus b I and j. This is simple. And if you want to subtract subtraction, just try to use here subtraction symbol. If you want addition, so you, in that case you can use addition. Like here I'm performing addition, so I am using addition value. I'm writing here like use subs subtraction symbol if you want subtraction, like I'm using sub like a subtraction. Okay, so this is it, and after that I'm just printing these value, whatever value I'm getting here. So C I, and after that J, and I'm doing little bit concatenation here. Okay, and just came out from this loop, and outside of this loop I'm just changing line so that this one is responsible for new line. Okay, this one is closed, this one is closed, this one is closed, and let's save and run this. So just merge this code again. Like I am creating two matrix, like one is A and one is B, and I'm creating C matrix for just saving value of A plus B. I'm creating a loop for I is rows and J is for column. Then I am adding Aij and Bij value and assign that value to Cij. Cij basically are executed like some values matrix. After that, I'm just printing that. I'm using some concatenation here because I want some spaces in between. This one is responsible for new line. So let's run this and let's see. You can see 268, 468, and 6810. Why these are like this? Because I'm using print ln here. I should print so that it will get printed in the same line, like 268, 468, like this. You can see this. So how addition works, let me tell you. Like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. It is working like this way. So we can, like, you can also try this at your end and let me know if you're facing any issues. So let's do some other things like multiplication one. So for that, let me remove this code. I hope you will learn how to add two matrices. So I am making two matrix here, two arrays here, like one, 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 and one. So, I am writing 111 because you will just calculate output. If I am just taking some other values, though in that case calculation is getting tough, so I'm taking for this simplicity. Okay, 111 and 222, 222, and 333. Okay, this is a 2D matrix, like 2D array. This is a matrix basically of 3 cross 3, like 3 rows and 3 columns. This one is my second matrix, B. This one is also 3 cross 3. Okay, I am also taking same elements here. 111, 222, and after that 333. Okay, this is semicolon. These are my two, like 2D arrays, or you can say matrices. And after that I am just creating a one more variable for just saying value after whatever operations you want to perform. Here I am taking multiplication example. So after multiplication I am saving all that value inside this. I am taking size of this 3 and size of 3 because all my two matrices are size of 3 cross 3. So expected output is also of 3 cross 3. And after that I am performing multiply operations, like int I is equal to 0 and I is less than is equal to 3 and I plus plus. If you want, you can go for length, like a here I less than equal to 3, you can use a dot length if you don't know about that length. But here I know its length. That's why I am using this. And j is equal to 0, j is less than is equal to 3, and j plus plus. Inside this, I am just assigning my value to 0 so that 0, okay. And after this, I'm just creating one more loop which is responsible for multiplications. So I'm name this in k is equal to 0 and k is less than is equal to 3 and k plus plus. Inside this, I'm just performing my multiplication operation. Cij is equal to, or you can say, I have already told you about this operation, a sign operator, like a I k into b k and j. If you don't know what I'm doing, like how to perform multiplication in of two matrices, go and check on Google, and after that try to do this problem, like try to understand what is happening here. But still, I will tell you how what I'm doing here. But first, please go and check logic behind how to just perform to add multiplication of two matrices, so that you will get more clarity about this. So ending with key loop. After that key loop, I am just printing values, sys out, print, and I want Cij value because this is my expected output values inside this. And I'm just concatenating with some space because I want some space in between. So into with j loop, and after that I am using this line for just line change. This after that it will go to the new line. So that's all. Let's save this and merging with some again, like I'm creating two 2D arrays or two matrices, the size of 3 cross 3. These are my values a and b. I'm creating c variable for to save all my calculation inside c. I'm creating a loop here for I, and this is for j loop. And I'm assigning my Cij value is 0 because initial value I'm setting 0. Outer velocity will get increased using this value. I am performing Cij is equal to Aik and Bkj. So in this case, if you want, if you don't want to write like this, you can use Ci Cij is equal to, you can see, copy this, Cij plus, and just use small braces, and inside this you can put this value. Yeah. If you want, you can write like this. If you don't want to write like this, you can use this one. These both are same. Whatever you can use, whatever you want to use. So I am going with a small one because this is the good way of coding. If you want to reduce a statement, you should. So let's save this and run this. You can see we are getting 6, 6, 6, 12, 12, 12, 18, 19, 18. And if you don't know logic behind multiplication, like we have to calculate 1 into 1 and 1 into 2 and 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 and 1 into 1 and 1 into 2, 1 into 3. This you can perform operation like this. If you don't know about this, you go and please check. I'm just asking, saying this again and again. Please check logic behind matrix of two, like multiplication of two matrices, so that you will get more clarity about this. And after that, try to solve this. And please don't write this code as same as I wrote. Try to just use different variables and trying to solve that. And please try at your end also, so that you will get more clarity and more understanding about this, because this is a very big concept, and there are lots of interview questions. Like there are lots of interviewer will ask these type of questions related to 2D and 1D arrays. So that's all for this video. So I hope you will get more understanding about 1D and 2D arrays. I've already told you earlier in my theoretical video, and I gave some examples related to that. Please try to do at your end. and please let me know if you are facing any issue. So that's all for this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.